In this video, I'm going to set up compass system. So that's why in our map system, let's create a new folder. This is going to be compass. Open this folder. Now we have to create a new user interface widget blueprint, and this is going to be widget blueprint. Compass. Let's open this compass. Now I'm going to add a size box, and this is going to be 1100. Set this to desired. This is our size, and let's get a overlay, and in this overlay I have this compass, so I'm going to select this compass. I have to fill this to entire area. So this is our image compass, and then we need another image compass arrow, this one. I have to set this to center like that. That's all we have to do. Now for compass, we have to create a material. This is going to be compass underscore material. Open this one. We have to set this to user interface and then translocate. Hit apply. And now I'm going to get that compass texture. Plug this on final color. And in alpha, I'm going to plug this on opacity. I think no. We have this compass mask, so let's get this mask. And on alpha, we have to multiply this value with this alpha, and then I have to plug this right here. Now in our compass, I'm going to change this with our material, with our not this one, with our material. Here you can see we have this alpha right here. And also in our map system UI, let's add a canvas panel. And then I'm going to place this marker at the top of this area, and then 0.5 size to context, and then maybe I set this to 30. Now in our map system, on event graph, on event begin play, we have to create widget. This is going to be main. No. This is going to be map system, and then add to viewport. Now here you can see we have this compass. I think let's close this one also, marker also. Okay, in our map system, I think I'm going to remove this 30. That's nice. And now on material, we have to add texture coordinate. Let's add. We have to add this value and then plug this right here in our UV. And now we have to create a constant 1D. C1 is constant, this one 1D. Convert this to a parameter, and this is going to be our compass x. Okay, now we have to append this vector. Let's create another constant node, plug it right here, and then we have to add this right here. That's all we have to do. Now in our compass, on graph setting, on event constant, we have to create dynamic material instant. So this is going to be our dynamic material instant, and then we have to promote this to a variable, and this is going to be material instant compass. Okay, and then we have to set this to our map compass. So let's get this map compass, and then set brush from material. I have to plug this right here. That's all I have to do. And now on eventic, set a scalar parameter value. So in parameter name, we have to copy this name and this material instant reference. Okay, set scalar parameter value, remove this one, paste this name. Now on value, we have to get player character, get control rotation, split this pin, and on yaw we have to divide this with 360, and then we have to plug this right here. Now here you can see we have this compass. Now on the next video I'm going to show you how you can place point of interest in this compass.